How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misant, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove the suggestions that you get on Messenger. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide it through. Now, in order to remove these suggestions, Messenger basically suggests you the user that you have as your contact on your phone, and if the sync is on, then it'll basically sync the contacts from your phone and suggest you the users that you have contacts. How you can turn it off? You can simply open Messenger, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from here you want to head into the settings. Once under settings, you'll get the option, you want to scroll down. At the very bottom, you'll get the option that says account center. You want to tap on it. Now once on account center, you want to head into the option that says your information and permissions under the account settings. From here, you'll get the option that says upload contacts. Tap on it and then choose the particular Messenger account from the list of accounts that you have synced, and you want to make sure that upload contacts option is turned off. You can tap on it, and you can, if it is on, it'll ask you to turn it off. You want to simply turn it off. Now the second thing to do is the already synced contacts will still appear on your sessions, so simply tap on manage contacts, and from here you want to go ahead and delete all contacts. Tap on it and it'll be deleted, so all your sessions will be removed afterwards. This way you can turn off, or this way you can delete the sessions on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.